video we'll be learning how to create a new Proteus file. So let's just click on new project. So now in this window you can see you can name the file whatever you want. So I'll just name it as Perl, and you can also determine the location where you want to save this file. So it's better to keep all the files together. So I'll just go to a folder where I have saved all my projects and then select that folder. Then let's just click on next. Now in this window we get the templates for schematic. So we have landscape schematics, we have portrait schematics. So these all determine the schematic area where we'll be doing our work. So let's just keep it default. We can change it later also according to our needs. So now this is the default PCB layout. If we want, we can select a template layout like Arduino Mega or a double Euro card. So these are some samples that are PCB samples that are available in the Proteus software, and if we want we can make modifications in these layouts itself, but right now we don't want to create any modifications, so let's just keep moving. We also don't have to create a firmware project, so no firmware projects. Click on next. So this is the summary that we have selected all through. We want to just create a schematic, no layouts, no firmware, no PCB, nothing selected, just a schematic, and let's click on finish. So after this step you can see this as this your schematic screen. So now there are various options available on the toolbar, various options on the left. All these will be cleared in the further videos, so stay tuned.